It's that time of year to get doing some fishing, so I got a new hat. This is the way that it arrives. Let's open it up. Might not expect a hat to arrive in a flat box, but this is, I think, my third hat from this place, and they always arrive this way. This one is from FURTAK. Really nice hats, very lightweight. They have SPF protection, 50. Got a cord here, so if you're out on the boat or something and you want to secure it with a shock cord, this is elastic with a nice plastic clasp and a bead here at the end. You've also got a chin strap if you want to secure it that way. What I'll often do is pull this chin strap up through the ponytail hole. There's a hole in the back here for a ponytail or a man bun, whatever you've got going, or I guess a knot, and some vent holes. So if it is a hot day, this one's an awesome army green color, olive green. I want to thank FURTAK for sending us this one to check out. This one will be awesome on the lake this year. What I like about them is you can fold them right up, put them in your pocket. When you need them, you got them. Also, when they hit the water, they float for a little while, so you can get out there and grab them with a net or something. Hope this helps.